Hi guys, let's talk real quick about training your plants. When they say that, it's really pretty easy. You're just going to take your plant and manipulate it around. That's all you're doing, and you see, that's already held there. That's naturally what that wants to do. I'm working with some snap peas, sugar peas, and snow peas. They all do the same thing. They all have these really sticky in a way, but they don't feel sticky. They're very tender tentacles. And if you see right over here where my finger is, it is already sticking together. That's why when you plant snow peas, snap peas, sugar peas, they usually come off in these clumps. They're tangled and they're pretty annoying, to where I kind of thought, you know what, I'll just buy them. But I had these left over and we're going through the COVID thing now, so I decided to plant them. And I decided to, right from the beginning, do a better job at training them, and perhaps I would be a little less annoyed with the whole process. So as you can see, I've already pushed these back behind this, the ones that will reach. When they get to a certain length, like this one here, this one is behind it, and then when it grows, it's either going to grow up this way, or I can get it in front of this to where I'm sort of weaving it around my cages. And these were just square tomato cages. I did not care for them at all with tomatoes, and you can see they're kind of rickety. And I also planted a nice stick here because I thought, you know, they could branch out on this anyway. It's just a springtime crop. It's not going to be here all year. We'll see what it does. But I repurposed these old square fold up, which is annoying, don't get the fold up ones, to run these snap peas on. So that's basically it. You're just maneuvering and managing them and weaving them and trying to have the tentacles take hold. And if they don't take hold in front of you, don't worry about it. Come out the next day, try to maneuver that again, and it's really quite simple. If you notice, I've got some great blooms on my chives. This is the second year, so it's already the beginning of the season, and these blooms have showed up. There I am in the way again. And they are a combination of garlic and onion chives. And I did give my neighbor those other chives that I transplanted, and she's enjoying those now. And here's an example of one of those volunteer sunflowers. And you can see the big leaves there. That's the first pair of true leaves. Underneath it, that's the first set of leaves. Remember, we talked about true leaves. So that is it for the day. Just wanted to talk to you about training your snap peas, snow peas, and sugar peas. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe. Share would be sweet. I love you all.